The Business Success Award recognizes a business for exceptional company operations, product and services, growth, response to adversity, and other unique aspects that set the business apart from its competition. Sonny and Pat Bates purchased Sonatrol of Lexington in 1984 and simultaneously began ADR Security Services, which was rebranded to Bates Security in May 2011. Bates Security is a locally owned and operated security company specializing in the installation, monitoring, and servicing of burglary, video, access, and fire systems. Sonny Bates' experience as a U.S. Air Force military police officer and then as a police officer in Dallas led him to Sonatrol of Dallas upon his retirement from the police force in 1980. Bates' prior work as a police officer has helped Bates Security maintain a great relationship with the local police and fire departments. Local officers are recognized when they apprehend criminals by responding to the company's alarms. Today, the daily operations are driven by the Bates' sons, Jeremy and Brian, while Brian's wife, Jamie, assists with marketing and creative design for the company. The team has built Bates Security into the largest privately owned security company based in Kentucky, with very strong growth in number of clients, revenue, and employment. In 2012, Bates Security moved into a new corporate office, doubling its square footage through the purchase and renovation of an existing multi-tenant structure. It showcases all of its unique residential equipment and services to customers and vendors through the innovative Bates Connected Home. Part of Bates' success comes from the ownership's willingness to invest in the people and technology that will best position the company to serve its customers. Its ability to utilize and leverage new technology enhances efficiencies that provide improved service in every area. Congratulations to Bates Security, the 2013 Business Success Category Award winner.